Sir, yung Google, sir, anong gagawin ng mismo ng Google? Parang
We just need the registry. We need the logs. Who sent it, who created accounts. Yun ang kailangan natin ma-develop.
And inaasahan natin, sir, kailan makukuha yung...
Soonest, because we told them that we need it soonest.
Kailan kayo nakipag-unayan sa Google, sir?
3 days ago.
3 days ago.
Sir, nakikita po ba natin yung mga nag-share din nito or nagpakalat sa online ay baka may kinalaman din doon?
Well, we want to assess, no? Okay? We want to assess yung mga instances about this. Ganyan naman sa social media analytics. You look at all the links. And normally, may magagawa kang kwento linking all of this. Because you need somebody to propagate it. From an origin, kailangan mong taga-multiplier factor, di ba? So, tinitingnan natin yan. It's part of the formula in social media analytics.